finding it quite hard getting to grips with this break, or so we've seen so far. I have to say they're both good stats for both players there. Of course, they would like them better, and Jason Shaw would certainly like them better. That's a dry break and a clean look at the one. No offense really visible, but good opportunity for Felix to put Jason in the spot of bother.
Yeah, still, with or without the ball in hand, this rack is going to be tricky if you look at how the 4 ball is clustered up. Nice hit. I gotta say, I was a little bit surprised by the safety shot Felix played. Again, I really like to go 2 rails, stick the cue ball with the 2, and bring the 1 ball to the bottom side of those 4 balls. This gives Jason too much space to make a hit, in my opinion.
Yep, and also holding that 1 ball close to the cluster does lend itself to have favourable results coming out of the safety. So well, he's got rewarded, but look where that 1 ball's finished up. Maybe it's 3 foul time. That's what it is, Tim. We do know how good Jason is at getting out of these positions, but that is a tough spot. The 2 railer seems the only obvious one. Maybe, depending where that blue 2 is, the 3 railer.
Yeah, I feel like the 3 rail or the 2 does come very, very close. Not saying it's not there, but I probably would go 2. No, he was able to go 3. But another foul. Look at this. Felix now with a stop shot. Yeah, made it too short. Never really expected him to make that too short. Looked like the 2 was gonna come into play to get too short. And now, if you give the 8, play the cue ball softly into the 8. So it sticks with the 4, it pushes the 8. Yeah, just like this. Oh, doesn't want to put the 1 over the corner. Oh, this is still possible for a hit. But if Jason fails to make a contact or scratches, this match is over. Jason Shaw will be out, so quite some pressure behind this shot. And he will have to decide very soon. Well, and it's not there. So, Felix Vogel, Gav.
What a performance, Tim. I'm a bit lost for words. He's played out of his skin, and I like the way he finishes with 3 fouls. He'll progress through to the men's last 32. But don't go anywhere. We will be back in 20 minutes for more action. Coming up on this table, we will have the matchup